Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Acrylic Pouring with G. On this channel we basically do a lot of acrylic pouring, all different methods, trying out new experiments, trying pouring on different surfaces using different implements, and hopefully offering some tips and tricks to the beginner. Now, I'm not saying I'm a professional by any means. I've only been doing this probably for about 8 months now, but I have watched a lot of other YouTube videos, and I think my results speak for themselves. We've created some fantastic paintings. I've yet to sell one, so if you're looking to buy some awesome art, please get in touch. But I'm just so happy that you found my channel, and hopefully you enjoy the videos that I post. So guys, there's lots of videos for you to review. Please go back and check them all out. Obviously starting way back on number 1, we're already on number 53. And I try and put out at least 1 to 2 new videos a week. So if you're looking for new ideas or some tutorials, tips and tricks, etc. for acrylic pouring, then you've come to the right place. Guys, while you're here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Obviously, the more subscribers we get, the better it is for everyone. More people get to see the art and hopefully do some of their own. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Look forward to getting some comments from you on my videos, and obviously if you have any requests, please feel free to send those through as well. Enjoy the art. Happy pouring. Cheers.